Me no forget one time, Altify. Shenseea, I was there. As a matter of fact, your dirty mouth put your go to prison. You set your dirty mouth for say, Shen, me want to do a song with you, you dirty blood clot, yo. You never know say God no play. I got this, I make you attack, Why you never come out, come say you want to do a song with all of the woman them and with unite? You dirty. Hey, you's a witch. You is a wicked demonic witch. And it a show in you. You come like the white witch of Rosal. You can't trick me. But me attack from now because me no want when you do song and me answer it, nobody open up their mouth and tell me say me love problem. If you say yes, I me feel like the S match for spice. If you say the blue, I me feel like the blue, the B after the word blue match for me blue ear. I go answer and this you up. Because I never trouble you. You're in your church, you figure work for Christ. How much soul you save from your baptized? We could talk about it. And all the things me have to talk, and we talk in a jumble, but me will come back round to it and talk. How much soul you save? Me say from you go to church, how much soul you save? Because all of my Christian life, when me know people get baptized for save soul. Ooh, how much soul you save? Wanna type it if you don't know. You not save no blood clot soul. You not save no soul. You not see you go to church and them run you out of church. The pastor see the demon in you and say, get behind me, Satan, and run you out. You is a serpent. You is a Jezebel. Your heart black. Your heart dirty. You're wicked and you're evil. The first 8 when we get in a dance hall is you show me 8. 1999, they could talk about it. I want to say if you talk, me I go talk. $19.99. Bounty killer. Me not ready to go there yet. Me have so much something to talk about, Because you see when me are talking a portion, me want talk because you say you give me advice. You say, when me a sing, because me just remember the pieces them. When me a sing one way. A tick attack. I be a fuckery I sing in a church. I sing one gospel song when me hear nobody a sing. Nobody not sing your song them, your gospel song them. A promotion you look for the album. Where you come? A dancer you want to promote the album, but you still a bash dancer. You, hey, which gospel song? Make I take a deep breath. Because of me say, my favorite genre is gospel. Which gospel song this woman sing we wanna know? Wanna type it? You know sing no gospel song for somebody in a dancer. Say, Jesus Christ, me go baptize. Listen to Lady Song. Listen to Marianne. Every gospel song, if me ever downstairs pa me fridge, I play a gospel. Sunday morning and I keep service. And YouTube I skip through the gospel music. Them and your voice ever come on. Me have to skip it. Me have to skip it. Because you can't hear the terribleness in your voice. You no sound no different. You no convert. You never really want to go in a church. You still have the same jealous, dirty, bad mind ways in you. When Kevin Downswell, come on. When Kevin Downswell, come on. Hey, may I tell you, anywhere you're there, and you hear Kevin Downswell, come on. You can't hear the joy in the man's voice. You can't hear the beauty. You can't hear the spiritualness in a Kevin Downswell voice. Anyone ever play a song from Kevin Downswell? Almighty God, come on, man. Make a preach in your phone now. When Kevin Downswell come on and you hear, how the song go? If it's not you, dear Lord, it's nothing. If it's not you, It's not